Good afternoon here at Kid Ventures. We're so excited to do this activity with you. As I promised, we are here to make water striders. I know some of you might already have some of these supplies at home and some of you might have to go find them, but they're not too hard to find. The first item we're gonna need is a popsicle stick. Any size will do, even if you don't have a popsicle stick. A pencil will work just fine, or even a pen. We'll just put the cap on. We have a pipe cleaner here. Some of you guys, if you don't have a pipe cleaner, you could use a string, a little zip tie maybe from like bread or something. Anything like that will do. And then I have two little sticky eyes. You can use googly eyes or even just a marker to draw your own eyes on. So what we're going to do is I want to challenge you guys. So we see in this picture, we see that this water strider has a body. We have a long body here. So what we want to do is we want to make a water strider body, and we have this pipe cleaner to make the legs. How are you guys gonna make your water strider legs? Remember, it says that there's 6 legs, but I don't know if we're gonna be able to get 6 legs on here. Let's see what we can do. Can you guys make a water strider? Let's see. I think my water strider looks kind of funny, but everyone's is gonna look very different. Maybe your water strider is gonna have 8 eyeballs, I don't know. I'm not one to tell you. There might really be water striders with that many, we don't know. So here's my little silly water strider. I'm gonna put some eyes on him. And you guys don't have to use black. You can use whatever color eyes you want. Maybe your water strider doesn't have eyeballs. We don't know. Now, what I really wanna do, this is something fun. So right here I have a sensory table. It's full of water. At home, you could just use a simple bowl or tub, fill it with water, and we are gonna test our water strider. We are gonna learn how to stride, what a stride looks like, and we're gonna see how our little friend holds up. So I have some water in here. We're gonna set him in there and see if he floats, or she. Might be a he or she. It does float. Oh my goodness, does yours float? You try it at home. Make a water strider and see if it floats. Once you have your water strider and you've seen it if it floats, I'm gonna show you guys how to make it stride. Do you see? When you move it across the water, it's striding. It can stride forward, and it can stride sideways, and it can stride backwards. It can stride all over. Isn't that really neat? I think it's really neat. And also, although this is not part of what we have planned, I'm gonna challenge you guys to make another water strider, because who wants to have a single water strider in there? No one wants to be alone, right? We wanna make sure that we have a friend. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some foil, just simple kitchen foil. You can get it in your house. You can even use wax paper or something equivalent. I'm gonna roll it up like so as a little snaky, and then fold it in half because I want a water strider body. There's my body. Then I'm gonna make some legs. Remember it has 6 legs, 3 pairs of 2. So what I'm gonna do is crinkle these up, just like so, to make 6 legs, and we'll put them around the body like this. So there's 2 legs. There's 4 legs. Some of them a little shorter than others, but hey, I think it's cute nonetheless. Your water strider is probably gonna look much different than mine because everyone's is gonna be a little bit different. And 6, I need a body with 6 legs. That looks like a really silly water strider, huh? Let's see if this one floats. It's foil. Do you guys think it's gonna sink or float? Let's see. It's floating. And look, it's striding. Oh, it looks like it's a little heavy though. The more I push it under, the more it's sinking. Can you guys do an experiment like this at home? Can you find other objects to make into water striders and see if they can stride across the water? If not, maybe you can use your body. Maybe you clear out the living room, get mom and dad and sisters and brothers to go with you and do some striding fun. If you put on your socks and go on the tile, you might even be able to do a little frozen pond action like an indoor ice skating rink. I don't know, get crazy with it. In the meantime, we'll be here missing you and we'll be back tomorrow. Have a good one.